Hi everyone, in this video our trainers are going to demonstrate the basic life support protocol including CPR and defibrillation and following the doctor's ABCD for this suspected cardiac arrest patient. Trainers, take it away.
Alright, so approaching the scene, do I hear, see or smell any dangers?
I don't see or smell anything. I see this guy collapsed on the ground.
Can you hear me?
No response.
Can you open your eyes?
No response.
Alright, giving a pain stimuli.
No response.
No response. Our patient's unresponsive. Can you put in a sit rep for me, please?
All right, control. This is
Assessing
team 1.
this airway.
Airway
Looks clear and
unobstructed
unobstructed.
patient. We are
Checking
at the
for breathing.
4x4 and camping show at VIP
3,
tent number
4,
1. Please
5,
request a
6,
paramedic.
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, patient's not breathing. No pulse.
No breathing, no pulse.
We've got an unresponsive, no non-breathing, no pulse patient, commencing CPR.
Okay, nothing's impeding me putting these pads on. The patient is not wet. There's no jewelry. There is no pacemaker, like I said earlier on. Right, Lindsay, paramedics apparently about 5 minutes away. Analyzing, stay clear.
Do not touch the patient.
Don't touch.
Shock advised.
Paramedics 5 minutes.
Copy.
Charging.
Charging, stay clear.
Stay clear of the patient.
Stay clear of the patient.
Deliver
Good middle
shock
feet, stay
now.
clear during a shock.
Shock delivered.
Go for it.
Start CPR.
Let's count me into it as well from 25. I'll try and get this OP airway in. There it is.
20,
Slip it in.
2, 3, 4,
On
5, 6, 7, yeah.
15 litres per
30.
minute. Easy entry, equal rise and
Good
fall.
rise and fall of the chest.
Okay, I'm on 15 litres per minute. Okay, control team 1 ETA of paramedics. 4 minutes.
Copy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30.
Easy entry,
Good
feels
rise
good.
and fall.
Here we go. Okay, so 1 shock's been delivered, eh? Paramedics 4 minutes out.
Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30.
There we go. Easy entry. Looks good.
Six, 7, 28, 29, 30.
There we go. Feels good. Easy entry.
Okay.
We'll do a SOPSIs. Okay, so what are you going to do? You're going to go.
I'll go back and
You
you
go
just
back.
work around me.
We'll do. You just come around here, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Paramedics 3 minutes.
28, 30.
Good, easy entry. I'll put the O2 over here, okay?
4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30.
Easy entry. Feels good. Looks good. Feels good. Paramedics still 3 minutes. Security will bring them here. Analyzing.
Algorithm.
Okay, I'm going to come your way.
Do not touch the patient.
I'll follow your lead.
Yep.
Shock advised.
Alright, shock advised. Patient's clear.
Charging. Stay clear of the patient.
Clear.
Deliver
All
shock
clear.
now.
Head, middle, feet. Shocking.
Shock delivered.
Shock delivered. Back on chest, please.
Okay.
Start CPR.
25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Easy entry, equal rise and fall of chest.
Alright, so patient starts twitching and making some movement. Can you pulse check for me?
There's a pulse, it's weak.
We feel a pulse.
Okay, can you tolerate the OP airway? Yes.
Looks like he's tolerating, yes.
All right, so I'm just going to do a
You check that respiration rate
check
for me.
respiration rate.
So at this point, we're just going to check his respiration rate. I'm going to keep breathing with the patient until we can determine whether that respiration is adequate.
Pulse oxy is coming back at 88. Just ventilate for me. Good equal entry. Okay, breathing rate around 10. A little bit shallow.
Respirate's around 10, which means I'm going to swap to this non-rebreather.
I'm going to go for blood pressure. I'm just going to go run back to my ATEs and get an ECG on.